Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about the CapCut video editing. So in today's video, I will teach you how you can add jump cut in CapCut. So now, or you can also say that how to trim videos in CapCut. So this is the basic tutorials, but from forward we will see the advanced techniques also. So I am opening CapCut PC software. This is the CapCut PC software, and here you can import things. I already made different tutorials on these, so let's watch, first watch them and then watch this video. So I am importing some video, so I'm going to my folders. So here I I import some videos, and also if I want to import some specific type of video, I go to library, or here I find different videos like nature, and as you can see there are different videos available. So I teach you this in previous videos, so I open this video here. So I have to import some more videos like this one, this one, and this one. Now let's make some edit. So let's add jump cut, or you can say trim the video. So I want this video part from, so I click on split button or control plus B, then my video is splitted. Then I am going to remove the extra part. I just want this part. So after that I am going to this video, and I mute the sound of this video, and now I want this clip to be placed here. So again I click on split, and this. Now I want to remove this part, so I delete it, and now I drag this part which I want to place here and place it here. After that I repeat the same steps with this one, and I click on this, split it, and place it here. And now I want to do the same with this. So our small just basic video is ready. So let's see what is the edit. So these are the use of jump cuts, or you can say trim the video. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. Video editing is a very premium skill. So that's it for today. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.